Hello guys, welcome to this week's update here on Pound USD. We've got gold, we've got DXY, we've got OU, and lastly USDCAD. Starting out with Pound USD, my anticipation was for price to pull back to these regions of 1.2475 or potentially 1.25 psychological region, and we basically had that happen, but at the same time we had an overextension that took me out with my first entry around this region here, but I got in for a second entry here around this region. So basically you see the first entry I had was around this region, so 1.25, let's say 1.2521. I got taken out and then I entered recently, and as you can see I had a TP1 for 3RR right there. So basically that's that for Pound USD. It really went well. That's the only trade I had entered. And we have gold. My anticipation was if price break below 2600, around 2630, a retest of it, we could see price start going towards the downside. We had that break, but there was no confirmation that price was rejecting around this region to continue to the downside. As you can see, we see price bulling up. At this stage now, I'm still going to be anticipating price to break above 2665. If break of price there, we'll look for buy setups. If price comes by below again, we'll still follow the actual buy as we had. Okay, for the DXY confirmation, this double bottom here, which actually confirmed that price was actually going to continue to the upside, which was a confluence for the sell we had on Pound USD. So actually you can see DXY actually played out right. The pullback was around, anticipated pullback was around 108.40, but we saw price come bottom at this regions of 107.85. And OU, we had that. My anticipated regions to continue the buy setup was around 72.66 region, but price came to create a support around 73.50 around here and continued to the upside. Did play out well, but didn't come down to my area of interest. And USD CAD, this was the funniest of all. My anticipation was for price to actually break above these regions at market open, but we just saw price sell off and even looked like it was about to start selling from 1.43 downwards. But as you can see, it's bulling back up, which shows a reverse correlation to Pound USD selling off here. Going forward for Pound USD, we might want to see price create this support region might now turn to a resistance. We want to see price actually react around here. We can look for more opportunities to sell, but for now I think I'm done for the week. I actually had one loss and one win. I'm up about 1.5 RR there, something like that. Okay, so that's that for the update. I'll see you guys for weekly recap during the weekends, and do enjoy the rest of the week. Ciao.